Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will be covering how to import product performance data. The ability to associate performance data with a particular planogram allows you to add layers and empirical reasoning to product placement. Similar to attribute data, you can load performance data from within any planogram or from the home screen by clicking the Import/Export menu and clicking Import Performance Data. This opens our import screen, where you can click to download the product performance template and open it in Excel. In my sample template, you'll see two data sets being imported into EZPOG simultaneously, US Region West and US Region East. You can import them at the same time or separately on different templates if you prefer. The key is to assign the same performance table name for any data in the same data set. Once you enter your data and save your file, note the location and return to the EZPOG upload screen. Browse to the file and click Open. Make sure to review and edit the number of weeks and number of stores fields for the associated data that you're uploading. Once you've done that, you can click Import. Once complete, you'll be shown how many items were imported and updated, and if there were any errors. Once loaded, your performance data will be available and accessible in all applicable areas of EZPOG. You can check the status of past uploads in our import queue. Detailed instructions for this can be found in tutorial number 3. Thank you for watching our video. Please visit ezpog.com for more information or email us at info@ezpog.com.